Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you a simple trick. Now let's say you are working on a project, right? And then you have an integer value or any number that is really a large number, and then you know that this is very difficult to understand, to try to understand what number is. For me here, I'll have to count the zeros and then try to understand what number I'm working with. Now in Python and also in some other programming language, you can add an underscore in your numbers just to make it more readable. Right now here I have account balance of 45 million. Now making it this way will make your code easy to understand and easy to read. Now if I come here to print account balance, I would, okay, let me run the code. I'm going to get 45 million. So this is it on how to make your numbers readable, right? And then it also work with other with floating point numbers as well. Let's say okay, let's add 0.00, and then when I clear and rerun my code, it's going to work nice, right? It also work with complex and other numbers as well. And also you can use it to run an expression. We can say 45, sorry for we can say 45, and then when I run my code, I am going to be getting the same output as I expect. The only reason why we have an underscore here is to just make our number more readable. One thing again to note is that the number cannot start with an underscore. In this case, when I try to do it, you notice that my code editor here is underlining this, and then it's telling me that it cannot, the numbers cannot have an underscore. The numbers cannot start with underscore, but a number in Python and some other languages can contain an underscore to make it readable. So thanks for watching this video guys, and peace out.